Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Boston Pizza Royal Hawaiian Pizza. So I got 2 slices here and there's quite a bit of different toppings on this. So there's sweet Thai honey garlic for sauce instead of pizza sauce. It also has Gouda, provolone, Parmesan, mozzarella, red onion, prosciutto, bacon, pineapple, and toasted sesame seeds. There's a whole lot going on here and I'm gonna dig right into this. So you guys know what I think. Flavorful. You can taste the honey garlic sauce, and it still tastes like a normal pizza, despite not having the normal like pizza sauce on it. Really good. Boston Pizza's pizzas have like really nice flavor in the dough. So good. Prosciutto, all the above. A lot of good flavor in this. It's kind of like tangy. I don't even know the word for it, but it's got like some sweetness to it. Pineapple obviously adds a lot to it because it's a fruit on a pizza. Very sweet. The bacon honestly is so flavorful on that. Like, I can really notice the bacon over a lot else that's on this pizza, so it's interesting. I can also taste a little bit of the provolone and Gouda cheese. So it's got quite a bit of things going on it, and it's still a really good pizza. I'm not normally a fan of Hawaiian pizza, but the Royal Hawaiian from Boston Pizza is super good. The texture of pineapple on pizza is kind of different, but I think it works in this instance. Kind of like crunchy. It's not crunchy, but it's like there's a lot of texture to it, so it's good. I'll have one more bite and I'll give it my final review. As far as Hawaiian pizza goes, that was pretty good. So the sauce on it is very tangy. I guess that's the best word to describe it, honey garlic. And it pairs with all the grease from like the bacon and all the different proteins, I guess, that are in this. Normally Hawaiian pizza is just ham and pineapple, but this adds a whole lot else to it. And I think it's really delicious. So I would give that a 7.5 out of 10. Probably the best Hawaiian pizza I've ever had too, so really good. I'm impressed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.